Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by fetching the Google font files and installing them so Coreldraw can use them. Download the TTF or OTF, then install via right-click Install or the Windows Fonts app. Choose Install for all users if possible. Once done, make sure Coreldraw is closed and then reopen it so the program rescans system fonts. You'll save time by organizing fonts in a dedicated folder before installation. This makes updates and removal straightforward later. You now place and format text using your Google font inside Coreldraw. Select the text tool, click to create a text object, and pick the font from the font dropdown. Type part of the name to speed searching. Once applied, adjust size, tracking, and kerning in the text properties docker, and enable open type features like ligatures or stylistic sets if available. If you plan to convert text to curves, keep an editable copy first so you can tweak typography later without retyping. You finish by preparing the file for sharing or printing and handling common problems. For production, convert text to curves using Ctrl+Q, but keep an editable copy beforehand. For PDFs, embed fonts or outline them to prevent substitution. If a font doesn't appear, clear your system font cache, reinstall the font, and restart Coreldraw. Sometimes a full OS restart is necessary. Finally, verify text appearance on another machine or in a PDF.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.